So, as I've said, after 45 years, matagal nang nakinabang yung mga Hansi family, Hansi siblings sa SM Shoemart ownership and SM Shoemart business operations. After 45 years, pwede lang ipangalan yan sa Philippine government. And me, the true owner of SM, the true creator of SM Shoemart line of department stores. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng Hansi family o hindi na pwedeng irason na for 45 years sila ang nagpatakbo niyan. Kaya sa kanila yan. No, naging sa kanila yan nga, pero I own SM Shoemart. Gawa ko yung SM Shoemart line of department stores. Pati basic operating procedures ng SM gawa namin. Sinundan lang nila yan since 1980s formally. SM Shoemart is mine. Ipangalan yan SM Shoemart Department Stores and SMDC sa Philippine government and me, Gerald R. Tamayo.